Hi, and welcome to Calus Prep. Let's take a look at a few more examples of the kinds of questions we'll encounter on the SAT. James has x plus 23 apples, Scott has x plus 25 apples, and John has x plus 12 apples. All of their apples are put into 3 empty boxes with exactly y apples in each box. What is the value of y in terms of x? Alright, well, I'm going to go ahead and add all of the apples owned by James, Scott, and John, divide them by 3 people, and set them equal to y. And once I've simplified this down a little bit, looks like I'm going to have a numerator with 3x plus 60, divide by 3 to get y equals x plus 20. At a computer store, Peter bought USB drives at $8 each, and David bought USB drives at $13 each. If they bought a combined 8 USB drives and spent $89 between them, how many USBs did David buy? Alright, well, P is Peter, and that's $8, and D is David, and that's $13, and AP plus BD is equal to $89, where A plus B is equal to the combined 8 USB drives. So, A is also equal to 8 minus B, and we want that in terms of B so that we can find how many USBs David bought. So 8 times 8 minus B plus B times 13 is equal to 89. Let's go ahead and distribute that 8 to find 64 minus 8B plus 13B. And once we've taken 64 away from both sides and reduced it down to 5b, we'll set that equal to 25, divide both sides by 5 to find that David bought 5 USBs. D. If x plus 3 equals 12, what is the value of x plus 7 squared? Okay, well, I want to make it look like x plus 7, so x plus 3 equal to 12. If I add 4 to both sides, I'll find that x plus 7 is equal to 16. So square both sides of that now to find what x plus 7 squared equals. And some quick math, even though this is a calculator section, I'll find that 16 squared is 256. D. If 4x plus 5 equals 8, then 8x plus 9 equals, alright, that 4x plus 5 looks very much like that 8x plus 9, so I think I'm going to go ahead and multiply both sides of my given equation by 2 to find 8x plus 10 equal to 16. If I subtract 1 from both sides, I get 8x plus 9, and I realize that it's equal to 15. D. In the figure above, the slope of the line is 1/2. What is the value of k? Alright, I'm going to use the slope-intercept form because I've been given an intercept at 0k, and I've also been given my slope. So y is equal to mx plus k in this example, and I know that my m is 1/2. So I'm going to plug in that second point I've been given, the 6,5, to try to find out what k is to satisfy that y and x value. And it looks like k is going to be equal to 2, which is choice C. And that looks like we're coming up on 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Divided into the 5 questions, that's going to be about 42 seconds per question. Not bad. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by Calus Prep. My name is Ricardo Calderon, and we hope to see you again soon.